The Chinese government has been committing crimes against humanity and suppressing its own people for the past 71 years. China is yet to be held accountable for its decade of criminal actions and mass atrocities. Millions died of starvation in the 1950s. Millions more suffered the brutality of the Great Cultural Revolution. Crackdown of the Tiananmen movement and the ruthless revenge of the Falun Gong practitioners and the systematic ethnic massacre of Uyghurs and the Tibetans. Now, China has erected concentration camps and crematoria, previously only seen in the Holocaust. The world continues to stay silent. Instead of holding CPP accountable for this endless list of atrocities, China is being rewarded with hosting the 2022 Winter Olympics. The World Olympic Games are built on humanitarian values: democracy, human rights, diversity, the promotion of unity, and universality. China is holding 3 million people in East Turkestan in concentration camps for their religion, language, and ethnicity. China is the last country that qualifies to host Olympic Games. While coronavirus claims the lives of many, China has sent thousands of Uyghur youth into China proper to work as slaves in forced labor facilities. Uyghurs are used as a business commodity. Their internal organs are sold in black markets. Democracy in Hong Kong is dissipating. Tibetans are being assimilated. The Chinese people are deprived of democracy, freedom, and equality, and over billions of people suffering in this nationalistic regime. China has a powerful facade, which it displays before international actors. This front is sustained by CCP's disinformation and false narratives, which irresponsibly mislead the public, the media, and the international community. China's lack of moral compass and lack of transparency created this worldwide pandemic and massive global fear and panic, now affecting the entire world. Now it is time to hold China accountable for its actions. China hosting the 2022 Winter Olympics is an insult to the Olympic spirit and to the conscience of humanity. We must stand together and fight for those with no voice, fight against the threat to our democratic rights, values, and humanity.